Thank you everyone for joining the today's class. Coming to the today's class, this is our first class on development. So let me try to introduce what is the syllabus which are going to be teach in upcoming classes. That is the main agenda for today's class. And I'm saying again to everyone. So by seeing the development coding, don't feel difficulty. In the real time, no person will write every code from the scratch. They will use even nowadays AI tools are there. Even previously also we use the Stack Exchange and other tools. Okay, to develop the code. If you know the concept, means you can easily develop any of the codes. I'm saying again to everyone. Please remember, nowadays due to AI tools, it becomes very easy. We'll get the each and everything easily, architectures or whatever it may, but you need to know the concept. If you know the concept, you can apply the things easily. So let me first of all discuss about the syllabus which I'm going to be discuss from basic to advanced level, and also the interview questions I'm going to be discuss after completion of the development. Yeah, and also let's discuss some basic development programs in today's class. That's it. And I'm requesting everyone the things whatever I teach day to day, at least to try to practice for 1 hour. Okay, I'm requesting everyone try to practice for 1 hour. Yeah. So we are going with development. Development is nothing but a backend. Okay, so it is nothing but it will be done by using Apex programming language in the Salesforce. At least 1 hour. Okay, I'm expecting to complete. So initially I started with all basics of Salesforce. All basics of Salesforce means all basics of Apex programming. Like whenever I'm discussing, I want to start from the basic programming. Okay, like what is variables, what is data types. Okay, and also some basic Apex programming and like prime number calculation, mathematical calculation. Just I'm not going to the concept. Just I want to discuss about a basic Apex programming. Okay, and also apart from this, I also discuss about list collection, set collection, map collection, arrays, all these particular concepts I want to discuss here. Array, list, set, map collection, and also I'm going to discuss basic capex programs.
Sorry for
Okay,
the disturbance. Venkat,
yes.
getting into the car, I'm dropping off.
Yes, yes. No, you can continue. Just you can listen the recording after that, Saujanya. No worries. You can.
Thank you, Venkat.
Thank you. Okay, after discussing the all basics of Apex programming, I want to discuss about exceptional handling because oops concept, sorry. In other programming languages, oops concepts is very important, but here oops concepts is not that much of important. Okay, here but I'll discuss. Okay, how to create a class, how to create an object. Okay, so encapsulation, polymorphism. These are all the concepts I'm going to be discuss. In the polymorphism, we have method overriding and method overloading. In other concepts, in other languages, it is important, but here, other like not these concepts are that much of important. We have other concepts like triggers and asynchronous programming. They are important, and also I'll discuss about a constructor interface. Okay, these are all the concepts I'm going to be discuss. Wrapper class. Okay, these are all the concepts with the different types of examples I'm going to be discuss. And in interviews also, they will not ask you these questions. I will tell you which questions they will be asked in the interviews also. Okay, after completion of this, I'm going to be start the exceptional handling. What is exceptional handling? I'll tell you. Okay, for example, just imagine I'm giving you idea. Okay, like for example, if you got some exceptions, like by using try catch block, I mean, some imagine you got some exceptions. Like for example, if you are doing payments, okay, there is no sufficient balance in the account. What is the error it will show? Chandrasekhar. Chandrasekhar. Okay, you are
Sir,
doing payment, but you don't have sufficient balance in the account. What's the error it will show?
it will your account is insufficient balance will show.
Insufficient balance.
Insufficient. Okay, like this. For example, just imagine sometimes when you are doing some payment gateways, you are sending the request through phone pay, but you are not you are declining the phone pay request. Then some immediately in the Flipkart it will show some error. Anyone observed that? Like
Yes,
payment failed like that. Okay, like this. Like exceptional handling is nothing but to make customers know. Okay, for example, if it's failed means how the customer will identify it. Okay, like this. There are different types of exceptions are there, like DML exception, okay, math exception, query exception, S object exception. Like this, we have different types of exceptions are there. Okay. Each and every exceptions I'm going to be discuss about in upcoming classes. Each and every and too many DML statements, one not one like this. Okay, there are different types of exceptions. For each exception, I'm going to be design different types of Apex classes for you. Okay. After this, from this onwards, actual things are been going to be started, which is nothing but Salesforce object query language. But in real time, we are using Salesforce object query language only. We are not using Salesforce object search language. Okay. Okay, this is a wide concept. We'll discuss multiple use cases. Okay, this is a wide, we'll discuss multiple use cases on this. I'm saying again, this is a wide concept. We'll discuss multiple use cases on this, which is nothing but SOQL and SYSL. SOQL and SYSL. We'll discuss multiple use cases on this SOQL and SYSL. Don't forget, we'll discuss multiple use cases on SOQL and SYSL. I'm saying again to everyone. Because what is SOQL and SYSL, I'll tell you. Just imagine on the back end. Okay, this is an admin part. Okay, this is the admin part. In the admin part, we have account object. Okay. Okay, so here we have multiple records. Just normally I'm giving example. This is a backend. This is nothing but a okay. This is admin part, and this is a development part. Okay, this is a backend admin part. This is a development part, and this is okay front end LWC. Okay, just imagine. Okay, here there is some agent is there. Agent needs the records. Okay, just agent needs the records. Okay, where agent needs the account records. Okay, where industry is agriculture. He needs to display that particular records in lightning data table. Okay, but the records have been presented here. Okay, so immediately, so here we'll write the logic. Okay, we'll write some SQL query to retrieve the records. We'll write the SQL query. We'll write the SQL query. Okay, to retrieve the account records. Okay, with specified condition. Okay, then we are supplying this particular information to just it's nothing but okay this development, I mean the apex programming will retrieve the records from the backend. Okay, after that we'll send this particular information to this particular LWC component, and we'll display this particular information inside the lightning data table. Everyone able to understand? So here this is nothing but a development apex programming. In between the front end to the back end, sorry, in between the front end to database, this apex programming development will be act as like an intermediate picture to send the data in between the back end to front end. I mean that to database to front end, just to send the data from database to front end. Everyone is understanding what I'm discussing?
Yes, sir.
Okay, don't worry. Here I'll discuss multiple things, not a single thing. Here I will discuss multiple use cases. Okay, there are I think, and also I'll discuss about some DML operations like insert, update, delete, and delete all these particular things. I'll with different use cases, and also I'll provide the assignments also. Yeah. After completion of this, like because there is some wide concept, just I given some small use case. After completion of this, I want to discuss about triggers. Actual things have been going to be started. Okay, so there are Triggers is very very important. It is specific to the Salesforce, not from other programming language. Okay. Even in interviews also they will ask the scenarios and triggers. Okay. Either you kept 2 years, 3 years experience or whatever it may be. But don't worry, I'll guide you accordingly. If you practice, it means definitely you'll crack the interviews. Okay. Like in this month, you'll remember or not, there are 5 success stories. Okay. Like we'll releasing soon. Like one person got some a good packages. I don't want to mention the packages, but very good packages. Yeah, they got as compared to the previous. Yeah, very good packages they got. And another person, like you remember or not, like she asked 8 lakhs package, okay, from the company, but her performance is very very good, but they provided to 10 lakhs package. Yeah, because her performance is very good on their English fluency, communication skills, and also on saying the things or whatever it may be. Like because she learned everything from the classes only on the previous journey, so they provided. Now she recently messaged me. Like this, we have up to 5 success stories this month. We'll post soon. Nothing. No, like just you need to practice regularly. For example, if today we completed some concepts, practice today. That's it. Nothing other than that. Yeah. So under the triggers, we have different types of things like trigger events. Okay, like we have trigger events and trigger context variables, and even theoretical questions are also will be asked in this order of execution of triggers, best practices of trigger. These are all the theoretical questions they will ask, but everything I'll explain you. And also some scenarios on the triggers. Yeah, definitely. I'll explain more scenarios, not some scenarios, more scenarios. And also the project based things, project based scenarios. Okay, for our educational application, I'm going to be design some project-based scenarios also on this particular triggers concept. Triggers is very, very important. Everyone, I'm requesting, please practice on time, whatever it may be, which I complete in the triggers. Okay. And after that, I'm going to be discuss about asynchronous programming. I'll ask you one question. Raju, are you there? Raju, normally in the
Yes,
real time,
Venkat.
we are handling less amount of data, or we are handling lakhs of records.
Lakhs of records, Venkat.
Okay, when we are handling the lakhs of records, the triggers is somewhat it will face difficulty. Okay, triggers will face somewhat difficulty like Apex programming to handle the lakhs of records, millions of records. Asynchronous programming came into picture. Okay, like to update the
Okay.
records or to any of the things. Like we have different types of asynchronous programming. We have batch Apex, feature method. Okay, schedule Apex, queuable Apex. Like this, we have different types of things presented under this each and everything, batch apex, feature method, everything. I'll explain different use cases. And coming to this, mostly theoretical concepts will be explained. Either don't think that if you have kept a fresher mean they will not ask. Okay, if you kept fresher 1 year, 2 year, 3 years, any years of experience, the question similarity will be same. Okay, not different. I'm saying again because I'm regularly attending interviews, I use it to know the up to date standards. So study everything thoroughly, complete it on time, whatever which I'm teaching, then attend the interviews after completion of the class easily. I think this month I'll complete. Okay, within 1 month, okay, 1 month, 10 days I'll complete development, and after that 15 days, after completion of 15 days, approximately 2 months you can take. Okay, means I'll take some more 2 months, 20 days like that, but after completion of 2 months you can start applying. Yeah. I'll provide you resumes also before my course content. Here I'll explain different use cases also. At least if you practice the things whatever I teached, I'm very happy. Yeah. Because definitely one more success story will be released. Yeah. And after completion of this, I'm discussing about the Visual Force pages. Test classes, sorry. Why it is the test classes means I'll tell you. I'll tell you one thing. For example, just imagine if you're working in the development, you completed Apex class. You need to test yourself now whether it is working or fine or not. You need to test yourself or not. Before going to the QA team, you need to test yourself. Okay, so
Yes.
for your Apex class, okay, you need at least more than 75 percentage of coverage. Okay, means you are working, you need to test positive cases, negative cases, edge cases, each and everything in the test classes part you need to write. Like you need to supply some random data and you need to verify. You need to create a separate test class, and I'll discuss different scenarios on this also. Yeah. After discussing of this, I'm going to be discuss about the Visual Force pages. Okay, what is Visual Force pages? Visual Force pages is a front-end UI. So when Salesforce has been introduced for designing front-end in 2010, okay, Salesforce introduced Visual Force pages, but nowadays we are not using Visual Force pages or ARA components. But I want to discuss about 1 to 2 days about Visual Force pages. Nowadays, only LWC part is been using in each and every project. I'm saying again, but I'll discuss Visual Force pages also, like for 1 to 2 days. Yeah. These are all the things. Okay, after completion of this, definitely I'll provide the interview questions on each and every curriculums. Like either you are an experienced, I'm saying again, okay, whatever it may be. If you study, it means definitely you can crack the interviews. Yeah, with scenarios, each and everything, I'll provide interview questions. And after completion, then I'll give some time. Then I'll start the LWC components as like previous I told you. This is the thing. When I started the LWC component on the first day of class, I'll discuss about what are the things which I'm going to be design. That's it. Yeah. This is the entire curriculum which I'm going to be share. Any queries on the curriculum? And regularly, like previously in the admin classes also I shared it. Whenever which I'm teaching anything, I share the notepad files. Here also I'll share the notepad files as usual, as like a previous. Yeah. Anyone have any queries? First of all, let's check the drive access. Okay, for the people. Anyone have any queries? Please respond.
No, sir. No, Venkat, it's clear.
Is it clear? Anyone have any queries?
No, no, Venkat.
I think the people have an access. Okay, if the people does not have an access, so kindly please intimate me. I'm requesting that please don't check that with another mail. Whatever the things which you checked with admin, check with that particular mail only. Okay, check with that particular mail only instead of checking with other mails. Okay, I'm creating the docs as like previous. In admin I created no, because why we created a separate folder means it will not be a confusion for you. Okay, in future also to verify each and every recordings. So here we discussed about a syllabus for development. Yeah, and also today I'll discuss about some more thing. Okay, like I'm uploading as previously whatever I, yeah, how to, this is my org, how to navigate to development portfolio. Everyone able to see the developer console? Everyone able to see the developer console?
Yes,
Just I'm
sir.
clicking this. Okay, immediately I'm
Yes.
navigating to the screen. This is the thing. Okay, in this way you are navigating. In this way you are navigating to the development. First of all, let me try to just I created so many Apex classes previously, but I want to delete it. If I created means I'll delete it. If I did not create it means fine, because I use it to teach. Okay, these are all the things which previously came, not my classes. I hope I did not created anything. Yeah, this is a thing. Don't worry, everything I provided through screenshot. I stopped sharing my screen. 1 minute, I'll share again. Okay, today let's start with all basics of Salesforce. Let me try to create some basic Apex programming in today class. Ah, yes, Saikiran. Okay, the people who did not got an access, I think it is a different folder. I did not provided Saikiran. I'll provide it. Okay,
Okay, sir.
I'll provide it in the WhatsApp. Then you can verify it through WhatsApp. Okay, if you did not receive or you received or anything. 1 minute team, I'm opening. Okay, fine. Okay, just I'm sharing my screen. Sai Kiran, please provide your email. Okay, 1 minute, Sai Kiran, I'm providing.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, provided. Once please check it. Just open the development drive link. You can able to see the things. Okay, I'm sharing my screen.
Yeah, got it, sir.
Okay. Everyone also please check in your WhatsApp group, required WhatsApp group. Everyone. Is my screen is visible to everyone? Yeah, I provided step by step like I'm saying again, like previously in the develop in the admin part, there is a lot of configuration navigation steps. Here, one more thing I want to convey, there is no that much of navigation steps. In the first day only, when you're creating Apex class, there are some navigation steps. Okay, click on file, click on new Apex class. Okay, today is my first program. Okay, just let me try to mention first program. Click on OK. I mentioned each and everything. Okay, you can able to see. Click on file, new Apex class. Just a first program. Okay, this is the thing. For example, here I'm creating. So the syntax of that particular thing. Public class name. Okay, I'm saying again, you need to write the logic inside the method. Public static void. Okay, and this is the method name. You need to write the logic inside the method name. Inside the method, you need to write the logic. You need to write the logic here. And I'm saying again, single class we have multiple methods. Okay, with different names. Single class we have multiple methods with different names. Single class we have multiple methods. Okay, you can write the logic here. Single class you can write a multiple methods. Single class provide a multiple methods. Yeah. I think Raju, you are requesting a editor access for the drive. Okay, for documents, like you can able to download it. If you provided editor access means videos also will be downloaded. Okay, you can able to observe that docs you can able to download it. Yeah. You can able to download it. See, docs you can download it. Yes, check it. I think you have an access also. If you did not have an access, provide your email. We'll provide the access. I think Raju. This is your email. Raju Akka. Raju Nakka.
Yes, Venkat. Yes, that's
Ra-
one.
okay, then we'll provide access to you.
Sure, Venkat. Thank you.
Yeah, I provided it. Once please check it. Okay, just this is the thing. Just I'm creating one basic method. Okay, public static void method one. Just my method one. Okay, here I'm mentioning. I'm saying again, like, do you remember anyone know Java? If you don't know Java, also fine. Like in Java, we'll use system.out.println. Anyone know? Or not in Java. Okay, in C programming, we have C out. Sorry, in C program, we have println. In C++, C
Yes,
out and
Venkat.
Cn to print the data. Here also to print the data. To print the data, so system dot I'll use debug. Okay, we'll use system dot debug. I'll think I need to increase my screen. Now it's okay. I'm increasing my screen. Control S. Okay, whenever if you done the changes, click on Control S. Immediately the data will be saved. Everyone able to see here my data is saved. When I clicked on Control S, my data has been saved. Everyone able to see when I clicked on save, immediately my data is saved. Okay, let me try to click on debug, open execute anonymous window. Okay, what is my thing? First program dot. Okay, so this is nothing but execute anonymous window. Whenever if you want to execute anything. Okay, whenever if you want to execute anything, debug execute anonymous window. Okay, whenever if you want to execute and see the output, you can go to execute anonymous window. Class name dot method one. Yeah. If you clicked on, just enable the open logs, click on execute button. Immediately output will be displayed. Okay. I'm saying again, this is your first class. Don't worry. This is the same process for each and every Apex classes from first class to ending of the class. No need of different steps here. No need of any configuration as like an admin previously. Just you need to understand the logic. That's it. Okay. When I clicked on execute, click on debug only. Everyone able to see the hello world? Everyone
Yes,
able
sir.
to see the hello world? I need to enable the debug only option. Okay, then only you can able to see the output. Means debug only means system.debug statements it is used to print. Yeah. Any queries here? Any queries? Still now whatever I discussed, any queries?
No, no, Venkat. It's clear.
What about everyone? Everyone. Everyone it's clear?
Yes, Venkat. It's clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Okay, just I discussed about basic Apex program, but it did not discuss about what is Apex. Just let me try to discuss about theoretical part. Okay, Apex is a cloud-based object-oriented programming language. Okay, which does not require any installation. Okay, we installed anything? Nothing. We did not install anything. Which does not requires any installations. Okay, like I where each classes, whatever it may be, each business logic included. Okay, included in the form of okay classes and objects. Okay, here we can perform complex okay complex business logic and complex transactional flows, so many operations we can perform. Yeah, here we can perform insert, update, yeah, like different types of DML operations. And another thing is we can fetch the records. We can fetch the records from one or more objects. Okay, with the help of queries. Okay, queries in terms like we'll use SQL queries like this. There are, and if you want to connect with external system, okay, we'll use integration. Integration also I'll discuss after completion of Visual Force programming. Okay, like here we'll use a REST API to do this integration. Like this is the thing, and we have developer console to do this particular, to deal with Apex programming. So whatever I shown previously, the steps, we'll use Apex program like developer console to implement each and everything. Yeah, this is the thing. It's normal, I'm giving idea. Still now whatever I did, like developer console, creating my first Apex programming. Anyone have any queries? Chandrasekhar, Raju, everyone is clear on this? Just only how to create, that's it. Everyone is clear? I'll provide this
Yes,
file
Venkat.
also.
Yes,
I'll
sir.
provide this file also.
Yes, sir.
Okay, if you are clear means I'll start with the first concept. Okay, first concept, it's like a data types. Data types in terms I'll tell you. Okay, like just imagine in the normally, okay, like for example, if agent, you are new to the bank, okay, like I mean that you want to take a new account. Okay, just what you will do, immediately you'll approach the agent, like you can contact the agent, I'm interested to create some bank account in like Bank of Baroda. So what they will do, they will ask you details, immediately they will enter to the form. Is it correct or not? Is it correct or not? Please
Yes,
respond.
Venkat. Yes, Venkat.
Definitely they will create some accounts. Okay, just imagine. Okay, just this is the thing. Okay, they are filling the data in the input boxes. I will ask you one question. Okay, like there are some data types in the admin part also, do you remember? Like a text, string, like the different types of things, do you remember? Boolean, like that. Just I created some fields with different data types. Anyone remember?
Yes, Venkat.
Here
List
also
the
this, yes,
Boolean.
not, yeah, boolean like this, checkbox like that. I created different data types here also. For example, if we entered anything, okay, just we are, just imagine Apex programming will receive the data. Okay, for example, if it's a text means only text will receive like this. Okay, Apex programming will receive the data. Okay, and we are inserting that particular data to the backend LWC part. Okay, here we need some data type, as like admin part we need some data types. Okay, so whatever the data type presented in the admin, the same data type will provide in development also. For example, just imagine, okay, here we have an account name. Account name is a text. Okay, we'll provide the string. Okay, like this. For example, if it's a checkbox, okay, for example, is active is a checkbox. Okay, we'll mention boolean. Okay, like this. Here also we have different types of data types. Here we have a number. Okay, in the admin, we'll provide here like integer. Integer.
Integer data types.
Exactly. So there are different types of data types. I'll explain. Okay, like we have integer, boolean. Okay, like to store the account ID, contact ID, opportunity ID, string. Okay, date, and we have time, and we have date time. Like this, we have different types of data types. And long, to represent a long value, decimal point values, whatever it may be, like 1.5, 1.6, like that. And okay, just imagine, like, these are some data types. In upcoming classes when we are going, you can understand some more, just normally. Let me try to start. Okay, I'm starting with this program only because we have first program control S. Whenever if you done changes, click on control S. Okay, integer. Just I'm, okay, it's an, yeah. This is the syntax, I'll tell you. Okay, this is the data type. I'm saying again, this is a data type. Okay, data type, variable name in terms of, for example, if you declare something, okay, you need to store in some variable name, no, value. For example, just imagine, okay, you are storing 23. Okay, you need to store in somewhat variable name. A variable name is nothing but it's your wish. You can mention the variable name, anything. Okay, you are storing the data. Okay, you are storing the data. This is the data type, either integer, string, or whatever it may be. Variable name means you are storing the data, whatever it may be. Okay, whatever the value you are storing inside the variable name. Okay, this is the data type, either integer, string, or whatever it may be. Okay, like we have string. Just I'm creating the variable name as nm. Okay, just I'm mentioning Chandrasekhar, and we have id. Just I'm providing some of the id back, and we have account id, opportunity id, different types of objects, different types of information. Let me try to provide id. Okay, just I'm taking id. Okay, just imagine this is the id I'm providing. I'm copying it and I'm pasting here. Control S. Okay, for example, if it's a checkbox, I'm providing is active, true or false. And we have date. It's your wish. Variable name, this is a variable name. You can mention your name also. Everyone is understanding what I'm designing? Please respond. This is a variable name. It's
Yes,
your
sir.
wish. You can mention anything. And long. Just understand, don't by heart. See and practice at least. I'm saying again. See and practice. Just understand it. This is a long integer. By seeing these particular things, don't find difficulty. At least see and practice. Understand the logic. Fine. Okay. Why we are using it? That's it. Okay. Chandrasekhar, are you understanding?
Yes, sir, understanding.
Okay. Just date time. Current date time dot, just it is represents the date time, date as well as a time. Okay, if you want to represent the time also, okay, including time, just I'm mentioning time. I'm saying again. Okay, two variable names, okay, could not be same in the same apex class. For example, company revenue, another also you mentioned company revenue. Okay, it will show error. Two variable names cannot be same in the same apex class. See, if you got any problems means in the problems, if you got any errors, don't worry by seeing the error, click on Control S. Immediately all the errors will be resolved. See, again it is showing. They are saying that the date time does not been existed. I think data time. Let's see. They're saying invalid time. Okay, let me try to comment it. Comment means that particular entire code will be removed. I'm saying again, comment means entire code will be removed. Comment means entire code will be removed. See, date time from the type of apex programming. Okay, if you want just I got the error. Just imagine, let me try to how to get the date time in apex Salesforce. Just copy it, you can easily get the things. See, they provided each and everything. You'll get the things easily. See, hours, minutes, like this you can mention exact time, hours, minutes, seconds, milliseconds by using the syntax. Let me try to copy hours, minutes, seconds, everything. Okay, just let me try to disable this. Yeah, the same thing you can mention. Okay, time dot new instance, hours. Okay, like just imagine it's 11 o'clock, minutes 25 minutes, and seconds 30 seconds, and milliseconds. Okay, 4 milliseconds, each and everything. Control S, I'm saving it. Why it is showing error? Variable does not exist. Yeah, now there is no errors. You can able to see. Okay, if you want to print the entire data, whatever it may be, I type system.debug of a system.debug of nm. Just you can represent each and every data. Okay, system.debug of if you want to print entire data. Okay, just I'm printing that particular variable names. Immediately you can print the data. Okay, shipment date. Okay, just I'm printing the data. Okay, I'm printing the entire data. Control S. Okay, I'm printing the entire data, whatever it may be. Okay, click on open or debug, open, execute anonymous window. Okay, just I'm clicking on execute. Don't forget to open logs. Yes, debug only. Yes, everyone able to see the output? Everyone able to see the output? Please
Yes,
respond.
Venkat.
The same thing. Okay, the same thing. Just here you will get the time millisecond 11:25 34 milliseconds. Account ID, each and every details, whatever you mention. Whatever I'm discussing, each and everything I copied to notepad files. You can able to see. I provided the notepad files, each and everything, whatever I discussed. Okay. These two methods are facing errors. No? Whatever the things which I'm teaching, each and everything I copied to notepad files. That particular things I'll supply it. Okay, in the execute anonymous window, just I mention apex class dot method name. That particular thing also. I will execute anything. I'll provide everything. Okay, just here I'm providing the shipment date. If you want to get the details, just in the quotations you can mention. Okay, just here I'm mentioning the company revenue. If you did not mention means you did not get this is the company revenue or this is a normal thing. Okay, you can able to see. Okay, you can able to see the differentiated output previous and now. Click on execute debug only. Yes. Anyone observed the difference previous and now? Anyone observed the difference? Okay, let's see the previous output.
Yes, Venkat.
Any difference previous and now?
Yes, Venkat.
What's the difference?
We have added the company revenue and shipment details name.
Yes, like
Shipment
a shipment. Yeah,
details.
previously also it is there, but in the previously we don't have like just to identify like shipment date. Where is the shipment date like that? Okay, here we have shipment date each and everything. Like just to differentiate it. Okay, what is shipment date? Previously also it is there, but it's difficult to identify the shipment date. But here now here we are identifying. Previously there is no 18th and 19th data is there, but we cannot able to identify. Okay, that's it. Any queries here? Everyone is clear with the point. Any queries? Yeah. Okay, everything I'll upload. Don't worry, everything I'll upload. For example, today, just I'll upload entire notepad file. But don't practice everything. Still here you can practice. Okay, still here whatever I discussed, you can practice. As of I'm requesting everyone, don't practice the things whatever we not complete. Just whatever we completed. For example, today we completed some concepts. Only practice that particular concepts only. It's absolutely fine because you'll confuse. Yeah. Okay, explore on the at least explore whatever which I teached today. If you have time means just to concentrate on the admin part, pending admin part. If you completed admin part means you can study the interview questions. Okay, if you for example today I deal with Apex programming. Okay, you completed all the things. You have some more time. Okay, then you have some more time means if you completed flows, data security, one more time revise it because flows and data security are important concepts. Now one more time revise it if you have time means because this is the strategy. Even the same thing it is applied for the success stories people also. If you have a time means practice one more time. Okay, development like data security and flows. Yeah, Raju, are you clear? Raju, Chandrasekhar, Sai
Yes,
Kiran,
Venkat.
Surendra.
Yes,
Yeah.
Venkat. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is
Yes, sir.
about, I hope fine. I think just I started with the syllabus overview, and also I discussed about the basics, like what is Apex, and also I discussed about the basic Apex programming, how to design some basic, okay, the basic level, what is primitive data types. Okay, like the basic, I did not discuss any other things. Tomorrow, let me try to continue other concepts. Okay, hope it's fine because this is our first class. I don't want to discuss more things here. So day by day, I will explore the things. Okay, this is about today's class team. Thank you. Let's meet tomorrow. Bye, everyone. I'm stopping the recording.
Okay, Venkat.